All right, guys, good morning. We are about to roll in. Part 2 of rolling into. And I think they started us about 10 to 8. And I would think there were probably about 40 rigs ahead of me. Maybe 120, 130 rigs are here now. It's kind of scattered all over the place. So I don't know what this guy's doing, but maybe I'll just let him go. But yeah, so it's moving kind of slow. Not, nothing, like I said, just moving kind of slow. And I'll kind of turn the camera off on, or I'll just speed it up, depending how it goes. Bristol was pretty quick. We went right in. I think they just knocked out, I don't know, 100 rigs within an hour. So we'll see how it goes here. Yeah. So I'm gonna probably start this up, stop, whatever, because it's just kind of a slow roll in here. Like I said, that Bristol, well, Galat was easy, but Bristol, they just knocked us right in. We just kind of rolled in. There was no stopping and starting, really. But like I said, I'll start and stop the camera and talk about where we're parked, and then I'll ride around the pits later. And yeah, I got to do tires today. Maybe I'll put the camera out and you guys can watch me do tires. Okay, we're on the move again. It's going to be a slow one. I see now they're pulling like 2 or 3 rigs in at a time, well, maybe a little bit more. But just a quick weather report. It's going to get up to upper 80s today. But last night was pretty comfortable. It was dropped down to about 62. That was kind of nice. I don't know what this gentleman's doing, but whatever. Yeah, so it dropped down to 62, so it was comfortable. I think it's going to get warmer each night, but not too bad. Just have to deal with it anyway. So, and you guys know the routine. I mean, I'm sure you know my routine, but you know the schedule has changed, and we're going to have a 2 rounds instead of 3, 2 qualifying tomorrow instead of 3, and 2 rounds of eliminations, and then 2 more rounds of eliminations on Saturday morning, which would be good. Doing it early would be nice. But yeah, good times. Oh, I get a pen?
You get a pen, and I think you're going down in the field.
Yeah, in the grass.
Saving a spot for Dan.
And Bon Giovanni, I guess?
Probably Anthony, too.
Yeah. We are okay not parking there. Farther the better.
I figured he wouldn't mind being down there.
Nah, it's better with the heat and everything. I'm sure he'll be fine, Okay. Since Dan's bringing Anthony's stuff, Anthony's flying in.
Okay, good.
So just go straight all the way?
You can go down there and get yourself set up and just hold those spaces.
Thanks, Steve.
Yep.
All right, that's good. So I got a pen from Steve Rhodes, Division 1. And he said, just go down and hold your spots. So that's where I'm going. So let's see what's going on, and I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. That was a long process because there's really nothing to my right. And so we're going past the ticket booth here, past the scales, on the grass, and that's going to be it. Everything is marked off over here. We could park on the gravel up there, but I don't want to park up on the gravel, and Dan doesn't want to park. I think this is just as good. So, yeah. Looks like a road was once here. It's kind of nice over here. I mean, I wouldn't mind parking next to the trees, but we'll just do it right here. So hopefully it'll be easy in, easy out when we want to roll. It's a little slanted, but it'll work. I can't really tell if I'm too far over, but we'll get it squared away, guys. So I got Greg back there, so that's good. So, all right, guys, we'll be back later. We'll do a drive-by. We'll do a drive-through bits later, guys. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going to change some tires. Let's see how this goes. You're not going to believe what I did. Come on, because I didn't make first round in Galat. Didn't do first round, didn't get the open because, let me roll this tire over here, guys. Let me walk over here and show you what I did. What side is it? Nope, there we go. Hope the camera can pick that up. I use a 360 so I can zoom in. Yeah, I don't know if that'll pick it up, but I can put my finger in there. Yeah, so Anthony had another wheel, but I didn't want, he had a set of wheels, but the offset is different, and I just didn't want to take a chance of damaging his tire. So, yeah. Let's, as you can see, there's a chrome wheel on there, or aluminum rather. Let me knock these things off. So that's Anthony's, that's gonna go back to him. Let's hit the other side. I know, we're supposed to put jack stands underneath, but I'm not. So let's get the other side. You're not, well, you know what? Let me move the camera, guys, and you can see me do the other side. All right, guys. Yeah, I say that a lot, right? Oh, I love these impacts. Still had a couple more runs with it. I'm really happy with these Goodyears. I got 70 runs on them. All right, guys, we are back. That wasn't bad. It's like a half hour, but for you guys, it was only a couple of seconds. I know. I should have jack stands, guys. I know. But I'm really liking the Goodyears. They last. I got 70 runs before I punctured the tire, and I could have gotten probably another 20 out of them. I was going to get a new set for Columbus. Much happier than the Hoosiers and the Mickeys, even though Mickeys are involved with Goodyear now. But whatever what's in this tire, it's working, and I'm sticking with it. I don't get a deal. Oops. Come on. I don't get a deal on any of these tires, you know, any company. So let me get this. What the heck? How do the NASCAR guys do it? I can't do it. Come on. I can't perform in front of the camera. All right, so a lot of you guys are, all right, let me just talk. So a lot of you guys torque your wheels, right? Well, I don't torque my wheels. And you guys can tell me it's a no-no, but I don't. This is how I torque them. That's 100 pounds each one. That's how good I am. I just don't do it, guys. So I know some say it can warp the wheel, but it's fine with me. All right, let's get the other one. And guys, this is the first time, I would say pretty much all year, that I pretty much had to do anything to this car. I think I changed the spark plugs in the beginning of the year, and that was it. This car is so maintenance free. I know I'm jinxing myself, but it is just so maintenance free. It's not that I've owned a lot of race cars, but it's the best. This car has just been absolutely, I know I've just jinxed myself, but it's a good car, guys. It's just such a good car. Okay, that one a lot easier.
Wrench?
What's that?
You need a torque wrench?
I don't, this is my torque. 100 pounds. Okay. 100 pounds. 100 pounds. 100 pounds. But thanks anyway. I know I was just saying that on camera. So Greg Porter was just telling me he was going to offer me a torque wrench, but I don't torque them, guys. That's it. That's it for me. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Let me let the car down. And I got the new Goodyears on. Kenny's happy. And what I'm going to do, guys, next is I'm going to ride around the pits. So you see my rolling into, and then I'm going to ride around the pits, and we can see how everything is. And basically, there's tons of room here. We're like we're 8th mile past the ticket booth, so we're way down here. So it is what it is. But I like it because it's nice and quiet. And all right, that's it, guys. I don't know. I guess I've showed you my car. Some of you guys have seen the car before. I've done this walk around before. Let's see. That's the inside, guys. Just a typical race car. And we'll just open the hood. Supercharged, 5.4. It's just been a good piece. It's just been such a good piece. And what I'm going to do later, guys, I mean, I mentioned my trailer for sale, but I'm going to do this. This is not for you guys. I'm going to do a video on the trailer. And yeah. So let's walk around to look before I leave. We'll just walk around and we'll look at the pit spot. So Bon Giovanni Racing and MicroStrategies and Dan Fletcher. They got all this area here. It's just so quiet. Yeah, it's a little bit longer of a ride, but there's no dust. Go right from blacktop. You got to go to the scales. Let me just walk out here, guys. We have to go to the scales, and we have to make a U-turn and come back down, which I would say is about, I don't know, 1/8 of a mile. I'm thinking it's 1/8 of a mile to the scales. There's a ticket booth up there, and then we just U-turn it back down here. It's not a bad deal, guys. It's not a bad deal at all. I'm very happy to be in a quiet area. So, all right, guys, I'll be back. We're gonna kind of put this all together, and we're gonna ride through the pits. Hey, check out my plate, guys. Sal Biondo, good buddy of mine, went to Aruba, and he found this plate with my car number, and it says One Happy Island. How do I go wrong? All right, guys, ride around the pits.